Petteri Lievo Viwe, Siro Terianu, Ukobu, Tisoza, Butike Vihau, Mula Kelari, Tetsetehu, Keteje, Petepie, Kepenyofa, Tsaya. Siro Tie, Uko CYA Service La, Father Paul Punabu, Faith Alive, Iketsa, Zao Nunu, Se Ukoze Kazasatio. Mu Uko Sedatamom Hodze, Jie Uko Peteke Zedi, Bible Keprepuo, Ili Zelhunino, Gloria Bu, Prashadi Renalitio.
Dili Kevi Kepra, Mati to take Gerbuo, Kusuku me fa bengu nunu sera getso. Semese kisa, Jisu hapula dishe, Hi apuo, Timu kidze nipu, Nom hakesi keleko kiwe, Dia hako kevi pie to di, Pie nyora nyoko, Pesi bengu kesala, A nteya. Gato apuo. Ngengu kiwe, Higetze, Ni medozo getze Apuo tuom hapeteko ka ajenu, Sawate, Mu apuo zo gemoshe, Nipuri punyo siyamo, Sasadue, Nyosu, Mu nyosu tuo, Tapie ni gegese, Nyezo gemoshe, Nipuri apuo siyamo. Nyeko gemeshe, Mu nipie mesi geja keko, Aki volije, Siro a gerali kapie nyeko tsudio. Nyeko avojie felie, Mu akinu hasilie. Keprila mone, a jovi, Mu ako moketsala. Silie liro, Nyeko nu gerali nguledio. Sizo mone, avojie vere, Mu apieri meza. Hao nyepu dilikeviu.
Jie Siro, Uko Father Paul Punabu, Faith Alive, Iketsa Zao Nunu Se Ukoze Kazasatio.
Dear friends, it has been a long time since we had our CYA Friday service, or for that matter, even the Sunday service. I am sure we are all missing the community aspect of church service. The lesson we can learn from this situation is that the church community is made up of individual persons. Hence, we can keep alive the faith of the church only if the faith of the individuals are strong. The church is made up of individuals like you and me. Hence, the depth of faith and the love for Jesus of an individual will be the strength of the church's faith. So, at this time, even if we are not able to express our faith by going to the church, we can express our faith in God by the following ways. Pray as you get up. Thank God before and after meals. Pray as we go to work in the field, office, or any other works. Pray the rosary as a family. Read the Bible and meditate upon it. Pray for one another. Do works of mercy. In Matthew chapter 25, verses 34 to 40, we read, Jesus said, "When I was hungry, you gave me food. When I was thirsty, you gave me drink. When I was a stranger, you welcomed me. When I was naked, you clothed me. Sick, and you took care of me. Imprisoned, and you visited me." This is the way to enter the kingdom of heaven. Attend the live streaming mass. I would like to ask you, as St. Paul would to Timothy, to fan into flame the gift of faith that God has given you. Pray well, stay safe.
Father Paul Pune Peje, Budiekevi Tsokola. Uko Peteri, Puopukeshekem he, Butikere Haunu Sheri, uko mi pupo katsa ke penyofe ke peleteza kapye uko katsu se ke metilye mu se uko vie chilike siro vor kaze Friday nye u CYA service pemedi uko teze prayer ikatsu bebatyoya sala utse prepetebu haule badi thevatie ke basuruki uthyo uke batse nunu ke chati hau pe balya nu se ke pesi sje thelanu puti haula ke penyopfe peje siro ili zelhuninho gloria mu Father Paul pune unyeri ke peje pusaya ke fen ke shokola nye pete peje